Hello guys, just wanted to show you some nice feature of the BMW F-series. This is my F10 5355i. How to activate the roadside parking light. Some of the newer models have a special button here, but this one is 2011 BMW F-series. For this one, you just need to use the lights control here, press it down, and a message will show up, parking light on. As you can see, now the left backlight is activated. You can do the same for the right one. You just turn it off and then keep it up for a second, and then you can see the right one is activated. Also the front lights, angel eyes, are also active here. So how long can you leave it like that? Depending on your battery, you can leave it up to 32 hours. So without a problem, you can leave it for a night or so. Thanks and bye.